Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lovely to see you here. Or if this is your first time here, welcome, and I do hope that you will subscribe. Go ahead and tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my content. So the video is quite straightforward, but there are a few things that I just want to mention just in case anyone wants to ask. So I did use 1 pack of Xpression hair and I cut that 1 pack into half. And each half I divided into 5 sections. So altogether I had 10 sections, and altogether I had 10 bunches, 10 Bantu knots, 10 China bumps, whatever you want to call them. Another thing I really want to know, and I really want to stress, don't wrap your hairbands too tightly. Don't wrap your hairbands too tightly, okay? As you wrap the braids, they will get tighter and your head will be on fire. So take heed, because who can hear must feel, alright? Okay, don't say I didn't tell you. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I will just leave it to play. I'll leave you to enjoy it. Go ahead and share it if you enjoyed. Click the like button. I know you're going to love this one. That's a bit corny. Anyway, I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video. If you do have any questions, drop a comment down below. Make sure you also follow me on my socials. All my information is in the description bar. And I will catch you in the next one.